rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich.
Keep on working, keep on slaving. Let's keep occupying in with this land. Let's keep on killing the poor with dry scouting. It is so windy, it's about to storm, and we're downtown. There's this spot. I want to see if I can power loop because it disconnected last time, and I think it's because of the Express ELRS, but we're gonna see if I can do power loops now or if I'm gonna break another couple motors. The Ballerina is not meant to freestyle, but I can't help it. There's no motor protection, so you have an accident, boom, 2 motors, done. So I replaced them and we're good to go. But everything else was surprisingly fine. There's like the tiniest gap here between the VTX and the FC. So I was worried about that. But this and this takes most of the hit. Like the antenna and this, like the only way you could really hurt it is somehow you hit something really hard here. But most of my hits are gonna be like the front, the back, the side. Like how are we gonna hit that? Like it's actually like the opposite. Plus the battery is there, so it would pull it down this way. Okay, let's go. You really want to rip 560 150C dog comms. Like they rip and they're tiny. So less momentum, more speed, more like intensity. Even though this is supposed to be a long range, I don't know. It's my Ballerina. Okay, let's go dance.
I'm lost, right beside you. Just the one more night I'm falling out about. I'm lost, right beside you. Just the one that's way up found and from above. I'm lost, right beside you. Just the one more night I'm falling out about. I'm lost, right beside you. Just the one that's way up found and from above. Beside you, just the one more night I'm falling out about. I'm lost, right beside you, just the one that's way up found and from above. I'm lost, right beside you, just the one more night I'm falling out about. I'm lost, right beside you, just the one that's way up found and from above. I'm lost.
850 is just not the way to go, okay? Don't put the biggest battery you can put on it. Put a light one and rip. Try it, it'll be fun. You know what? That was kind of fun, and like, look how dark it is. That's how dark it is. So it's like kind of nighttime. I'm pretty happy with the camera, I think. It's just 8 grams, man. I gotta test out a small camera and see how I like it compared. If the ant is good enough. Yeah, I did 2 haircuts. Oh, what that is. That's creepy. I just ripped that spot. That was fun. Mom is so happy. She's in a festive spirit. What, Mama?
Why do you have to record everything
Come on.
I say?
What was it?
It is the warmest October since 1950.